First, identify yourself, please.
Andrew Swaby, Mayor of Kingston.
In terms of the pardon that President Biden would have pardoned the Marcus Garvey, how do you feel about that?
No doubt the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation and the municipality in a whole welcome the news of President Biden pardoning our first national hero, but not only national hero, but someone who had walked the halls of the KCAC. He was elected in this council some years ago, and just last year we had honored him with naming the chamber the Marcus Garvey Council Chamber. We had welcomed this, as I indicated earlier, this announcement. And not only that, we would love to see a total exoneration of Marcus Garvey, but we are appreciative of this small step that was made. And it all do good well for us to encourage Jamaica and the Jamaican government to continue to push for the total exoneration of Marcus Garvey.